Are you someone who knows that the people are sovereign, that judges and magistrates are trustees and servants, but you have no idea how to prove it? You are sovereign, not just collectively, but individually, and I am going to show you how to remind the criminals in government. After the revolution, the prerogatives of the king devolved to the people. When we cast off the king's yoke, sovereignty didn't vanish. It transferred to you, the people. As the Supreme Court declared in Chisholm versus Georgia from 1793, at the revolution, the sovereignty devolved on the people, and they are truly the sovereigns of the country, but they are sovereigns without subjects and have none to govern but themselves. The citizens of America are equal as fellow citizens and as joint tenants in the sovereignty. This means you hold the prerogatives once reserved for monarchs, the power to govern yourselves, free from arbitrary rule. Echoing this, in Lansing versus Smith from 1829, the New York court affirmed, "The people of a state are entitled to all the rights which formerly belonged to the king by his prerogative." Now, the trap. Statutes apply to persons, not the sovereign people. In common law, person denotes legal fictions, corporations, associations, trusts, and other entities created by statute or contract, not living, breathing sovereigns. The Supreme Court in United States versus United Mine Workers of America from 1947 clarified, persons must be involved on both sides of the case. In common usage, the term person does not include the sovereign, and statutes employing it will ordinarily not be construed to do so. And People versus Herkimer from 1825. The people are not expressly included in the general provisions of the Act, and nothing shall be taken against them by implication. Where the people are not named, they are not bound. Backed by People versus Gilbert from 1820, the people are not bound by a statute unless they are specially named. Cite these cases to prove this in court. File a motion to dismiss. Argue the statute uses person, not people, or your name expressly. Cite United States versus Lee from 1882. Under our system, the people who are there in England, called subjects, are the sovereign. Their rights are not bound to give way to a sentiment of loyalty to the person of the monarch. The citizen here knows no person to whom he need yield the rights which the law secures to him. Demand the prosecution show explicit inclusion. They cannot, because sovereignty resides in you, as Juilliard versus Greenman from 1884 states, "There is no such thing as a power of inherent sovereignty in the government of the United States. In this country, sovereignty resides in the people, and Congress can exercise no power which they have not, by their Constitution, entrusted to it. All else is withheld. The Constitution does not grant rights to the people, those are inherent. It prescribes the limits of the government's power, and they cannot exercise powers which are not expressly granted by it, not even in emergencies. As Juilliard affirms, all power not entrusted is withheld." Learn more by searching Burr to Burn, the corporate fiction on YouTube, Facebook, Rumble, and X.